Life of the workers. More workers, less jobs. There was no shortage of workers in the market as compared to demand. As a result, workers were ready to work at very low wages. People were always on the move in search of work. Seasonality of work. Due to seasonality of work in many industries like gas works, breweries, printing, book binding, etc., there were prolonged periods without work. The rest of the time was spent on the streets due to intense poverty. Low real wages. Wages increased somewhat in the early 19th century, but the increase was nullified and neutralized by increase in prices. Unemployment, poverty and misery. Till the middle 19th century, about 10% of the urban population was extremely poor. The proportion of unemployment went up to everything between 35 and 75% in different regions, making the life of the poor still more miserable.